Oh, yo, what's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we are gonna react to Dimash, Angel Love. So this track was done like 3 weeks ago, and I've just getting the chance to react to it and to listen to the track. Right, but one question to anyone who's watching this video is a fan of Marley, right? This guy. Yeah. So please let me know down in the comments of how well you are a fan to Bob Marley's music and a fan of him. So guys, without further ado, let's take a walk in the Dimash's world. This looks good. Beautiful stage. Angel Love. I'm a big fan of Dimash's music, right? And whenever time I heard Dimash sing, it lights up my world, right? So let's continue. And he always comes with some beautiful piano playing music. It's always beautiful, right? This man always give us some very great music, and his music is always standing out. And I gotta say, right, when Dimash give us music, it's always this relaxing momentum. It's always this great feeling to feel good music deep within. Very much so. Oh, what a beautiful voice, bro. And I gotta say, he's always singing with such wonderful voice, such relaxing feeling. Dimash is always this kind of guy who give us, right, a beautiful relaxation, right? With all those tense shoulders, with all those tense joints. Just listen to Dimash's music and you will be relieved. Very gorgeous, bro. Very gorgeous. Very much gorgeous. Even though I'm not understanding what he's saying, but I can feel the goodness that is coming from his voice. You can feel it, bro. Right? I'm not here for just music. I'm here for different type of sounds, different type of languages, different type of voice, and different type of vibe. Right? And this is the reason why I'm a big fan of Dimash's music, because of the delivery of his songs. And the thing is, this is just simply and a divine song. Wow. Such peaceful, such excellent song, such excellent voice. He always does this, bro. He always does this. Beautiful one, Dimash. This is very beautiful. Very much beautiful. And he always seems to give us what we expected. He never yet disappoints us, bro. Good music is what Dimash gives us, right? And to find Dimash as one of those golden singers, he gives us nothing but championship music. Always winning music.
orada dağlarında Acayip büyüdüm.
His voice is very beautiful, right? And it's coming from his heart. And once music is that beautiful, it comes from within. So you can feel it soulfully.
당다원다 barbağında bir üzüm süygenim.
Amazing, bro. Amazing. Absolutely amazing as always. Always delivering amazingly.
Yükümüz yerdeki elimde Terbiyle bedimi evinde.
One thing I always love about Dimash, right? Is that when he's expressing his songs, he always go deeper within himself and put it through music. And this is why he's a great musician. We can't deny that, bro.
Aralım şalğız şalğız Жарасқан тағдырларыма.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dimash is the type of guy, right? Who sing and so we could feel his presence floating around in the air with his music, right? And his performances are very good as well. So calm but amazing.
Махаббат сезім бол ең сұлу Беретін жаныма тек
Dimash, bro, as a Jamaican, I am loving your music. I am accepting your music as it is. Because we Jamaican, we do appreciate music, but once this music is literally adapting to us, it doesn't matter the language or anything like that. Music is just a great thing for us, bro.
сұлу Жанымда өзің барда Сөнбейтін сезім барда.
Wait, does anyone felt that? Do anyone felt happiness? Do anyone felt as if they want to smile and can't stop smiling? This is what Dimash's voices does, bro. This is what his voice does.
Біргеміз әр таңда
This is what true beauty sounds like, right? Even though we can't hear beauty, but Dimash's voice led us to give us that understanding of how beauty sounds like because his music is very beautiful. His voice is very beautiful. Very beautiful, my bro.
Махаббатым, махаббатым, сүйемін, сүйемін, сағына.
I just can't stop smiling. Every moment, Dimash give us a word from out of his mouth. It's always just, it is hard to explain, right? It is very hard, but you guys should understand because you guys are a fan of Dimash, right? It's very great to listen to Dimash's music in any times you're in. Bad times, good times, happy times, sad times. Just listen to Dimash's song, right? And you guys feels like a better person.
сағынасың, сеземін, білемін, арғымын.
I know that Dimash is not a person who really talk in English or sing in English very often, but we do understand, right? But we don't have to understand his words, right? We just listen to his voice and be happy, be grateful, right? Because every word that he sings, bro, it touches somewhere deeply.
Tağdırımda Ғажайып күйгенді таңдауым.
Yo, oh magnificent can this get, bro? Oh magnificent can this get? Damn, bro. Dimash is this guy, right? He pours out his heart in songs, right? He pours out a lot of love, a lot of good thing, right? A lot of great feelings into his songs. So you guys can feel everything that he sings. This is what a great musician does, right? Very good, bro. Speaking of great music, this song is very magical as well, right? It is so magical that you can feel the magic flowing through you. Wow. And the violinist, the musicians, the artist himself, it is all amazing. It is gorgeous. It is a complete package. Damn, bro. Angel Love is a magnificent song, right? And I love it. It is so beautiful, dog. Yo, amazing, bro. Oh, he's not gonna kill it. I just can't get enough, bro. I just can't get enough. Damn, yo. Oh my god. Yo, this man can literally cause an atomic wave, right? To just flood the entire place with just good music. That's atomic. Oh, yo, this song is voice as well, right? It gives me hope. It gives me peace. It wraps around me so peacefully, calmly, so amazingly. Damn. Oh, damn, bro. Damn. Yo, bro, keep up the good work, Dimash. Keep up the good work, my G. And the thing is, when we do have artists like this across the world, his music will always reaches to people because nothing beats a great musician. Wow, and he always surround himself with some very wonderful musicians, right? Like bro is just a person who love to hear violin plays while he's performing, right? Just terrific. Wow, wow, wow. Very beautiful voice, my bro. Hey, To pull a note so long, it takes work, it takes courage, it takes professionalism to get this job done. I gotta say, well done, bro. And I wanna say something, right? There's no words can explain how Dimash voice makes you feel, bro. It's indescribable. Trust me. Guys, if you guys want some more reactions by Dimash, please hit the like button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.